with addiction, we hurt people, sometimes deeply. We lied, we broke trust, and we hurt ourselves too, with guilt, shame, and self-destruction. Recovery gives us a way to make things right, not perfectly, but honestly. Step by step, we clean up the wreckage, not just outside, but inside too. We apologize, we change, and little by little, we start to heal. Others may not forgive us right away, but we keep showing up anyway. This is repair work, the kind that takes courage, humility, and love. But it's worth it, because as we make amends, we become whole.